Alright, let's look at some draping. Draping is the technique of pinning and manipulating fabric onto a dress form in order to create a design and then make a pattern for that design.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. It also gives you freedom to come up with completely new ideas simply by trying different ways to manipulate fabric. It can be a very creative process. The thing with draping is that you need a dress form. If you don't have one, I strongly suggest that you get one. I invite you to look at the videos of the old masters like Yves Saint Laurent, for example, where you see him draping using actual fabric on a real live model. It's really amazing and really inspiring, so check it out. I have a little story for you. When I applied to go to FIT, the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York, I went in for the interview process, and we were all in one room, one instructor, and one of the things that he asked us to do was to drape something on a dress form. So he gave us 3 yards of fabric and he said, make something. I had no idea what he was talking about. Fortunately for me, growing up in Rome and studying the Roman Empire and the emperors and their togas, I was able to whip the fabric around the dress form a few times, pin it here and there and all that, enough that it looked like a costume for Julius Caesar. The teacher came around, he checked it out, looked at me, I looked at him, and I can see that look on his face like, wow, not bad, pretty good, you know? I think he was impressed, and he must have approved it because I did get into FIT. Start draping, watch the videos, and just have fun and experiment with the draping process. Try something you've never done before and have fun. Okay, have fun. I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.